Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposit of your own. All you have to do is just stay with me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the step-by-step guide on how you can get started with this particular account. Now, showing on the screen is my Telegram channel. As you can see right showing on the screen, I've been dropping videos on the Forex no deposit bonus free funded accounts, and people have been able to get their accounts, and people have also been able to make withdrawals from various accounts that have been dropping. Now, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on Forex no deposit bonus, free funded account, profit account, and how you can make money online. Now, to get started with this account, the first thing you want to do now is to click on the description of this video. Click on the link that is in the description of this video. It will bring you right to my Telegram channel. As you can see right showing on the screen. Now, when you get to join the channel, you have more leverage. You have leverage on any videos that I drop than people who are not on this channel. When you join this channel, you get to be notified before I drop the account so that you can get prepared on whatever account it is that I want to drop. Now, also I drop further information, further updates on any video that I drop on this channel so you don't miss out. Terms and conditions, withdrawal proofs are right here on this channel, so please do well to join so you don't miss out on any information, updates regarding any videos that I drop. Now, once you click on the link that is in the description of the video, it will bring you right to a page like this, a text like this. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on the link that will take you right to the platform where you'll be getting started with the account. Now, this is what the dashboard of this account looks like. Most of you are already familiar with this particular account and some are not. So for those who are not familiar with this account, all you have to do is just click on register account. All you have to do is just register an account with them, and also you need to get an authenticator app because you'll be needing an authenticator app to continue with this particular account. Now, as you can see, this is the information you need to know, need to submit concerning this particular account. Once you are done registering, all you have to do is just click on submit, move to the next personal address information and the trading account information. Do not forget to click in your MetaTrader 5, your USD, necessary details that you need to know concerning this particular account. Now, once you are done registering, this is what the two-factor authentication looks like. You have to download the authenticator app, then you get started. The code that will be given to you in the app is what you continue on this platform. Now, after doing that, you then go ahead and log in to your dashboard to get started with. And this is what the dashboard looks like, as you can see right here. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on the three line right in the left side. Then you go ahead and click on competitions. This is what you have showing on the screen. This is the account that will be getting right here. Now, as you can see, the competition starts today, July 1, and it ends on the 31st of this month, which is July. But here is one thing I need you to take note of. The registration ends on the 15th of this month. So trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So you have to register so you don't miss out. And also, they have 61 contestants. There is still enough space. There's still enough space for you to get this particular account to get started with. So now the next thing you want to do is to agree with the terms and conditions. But before I continue, I will need to show you the terms and conditions that you need to know for you to make withdrawals on this platform, on this account. Now, let's head to the terms and conditions for this particular account. Now, as you can see right showing on the screen, no robots use. Do not use any robots. Your lot size max of 0.10 per order, and the maximum number of open trades should be 5. You trade FX, metals, and index fund trades only, and also minimum 10 active trade days. This is the terms and conditions you need to follow for this particular account so you can be able to make withdrawals. Now, let's head to how we can get started with this particular account. Now, before I continue, the prizes that you'll be getting on this platform, this is the prizes that you'll be giving the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth person that wins this particular account. Now, the next thing you're going to do is agree with their terms and conditions. Then you click on join competition. Showing on the screen, as you can see, The next thing you want to do is to choose in your platform, choose your MetaTrader 5, then you click on submit, and here you have submitted your account, your details. Now the competition has started and your account has been given to you. The next thing you are going to do to get started with this account, showing on the screen, you can see on your dashboard that your account has been credited. You already have your account live on your dashboard. Now what you need to do to get started is for you to get your login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. Now to get your login details that you're using to trade, all you have to do is just come in to your email right here, get the message. To be sending you a message to your email. All you have to do is just click on it, then your login and your password will be there right showing. As you can see showing on my screen, this is my login details. Now the server is Trade, as you can see. So all you need to do is just copy your login, copy your password, add to your MetaTrader 5, then you are going to sign in and get started with trading. Now showing on the screen is my MetaTrader 5, so I'm just going to search for the broker. The broker is Trade, as you can see right showing on the screen. I'm going to be clicking on Trade. Now put in my login details right here, and as you can see right showing on the screen, put in your login details and also add the password. Then you go ahead and click on login. Now showing on the screen is the $50 no deposit bonus account. As you can see right showing on the screen, it is live already. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and click on trade, and you have your balance right showing on the screen. So now I'm going to be taking a screenshot so I can drop it in my Telegram channel. And also this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. All you have to do is just go ahead and take in the pairs that you want to trade, pick in any order, and get started with trading. This is all you need to know concerning this particular account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment when you get this particular account, and also most importantly, subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on updates and information concerning Forex and deposit bonuses, free funded accounts, profit account, and how you can make money online. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.